At KODS, we are confident in every saw blade. Each manufacturing step is strictly controlled to ensure superior quality. Before entering the laser cutting process, all raw materials must pass rigorous testing to ensure they meet our high standards. Only qualified raw materials are sent to the next step, to the precise laser cutting. Laser cutting technology is a non-contact, high-precision machining process. We use a 3 kW fiber laser for high-speed cutting with extreme flexibility and precision to cut each saw blade quickly and efficiently. Fiber laser technology cuts instantly by precisely focusing the laser beam directly onto the surface of the material, reducing the impact of physical contact on the material while avoiding the wear and tear that occurs during the cutting process. This non-contact cutting method not only ensures the quality of the cut, but also greatly reduces the generation of burrs. The surface of each cut saw blade is smooth and even, laying a solid foundation for the subsequent processing steps. In addition to precision and efficiency, laser cutting also has environmental advantages. Its non-contact processing significantly reduces the generation of scrap, providing a greener solution for production. These laser-cut saw blades will be used in many high-precision fields, such as aerospace and automotive industries, bringing our customers higher productivity and better cutting quality.